Well, good morning, good evening, happy Friday times. Great to see you, chat. Good to see you, community. How is it going for 1st of May? In some other places, it is a holiday today. But we're here having a great time running around the markets. Plus, today supposed to be a massive giveaway, guys. Today it is supposed to be a $300,000 giveaway because yesterday we touched 300 grand on our Lucid Flex accounts. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Thank you so much for your appreciation. I'm sharing the video as usually with all the community members pretty much everywhere, fellas. We're doing that. You certainly want to do the same thing. We are live. Let's go. Haha, Badger. Yes. We touched 300 grand yesterday from a 150,000 account. Well, I'm a little speechless with that. A little speechless with that in the way we managed to do it. Fighting the trenches. Thank you, guys. Here is one of the accounts. This is for April. The last 4 days were... The last 7 days were very good, guys. Watch out how much money we've made in the last 7 days for our Lucid account. Lucid Flex, no consistency and target, guys. You can grab your accounts right there. So watch out for the last 7 days. We have from the 22nd, 23,000, 13,000, that's 36. Another 10,000, that's 46. A 10,000 on 28th, another one, that's 56. A 8,000 and a 2,000, that's 66. Plus at least 1,000 here or there between the hundreds of dollars. $67,000 in the last 7 days of trading for the account. 67 grand. Yes, thank you so much. Look at that. Unbelievable. Lucid Flex, no consistency on the targets on the funded stage. We're trading the $150,000 accounts. And we're going to get started. We have an account which is very close to being funded. An evaluation of 150,000, which is very, very close to make it funded. That's what we're going to start trading. That's what we're going to start trading. We have last month's high, 622, along with yesterday's high, 622, which kind of rejected us here for the past 20 minutes. We had a lovely breakout of a downtrend we've been riding here. Flat bottom, holding nicely on today's low, and the market is running still below the daily opening. You got to remember, yeah. Next to that, I can show you my bank accounts, savings, and other holdings, jewelries, and many other possibly valuable things. Exactly. Mortgage. No payouts from this account. We had payouts from other accounts from the past. Yeah. From this flexes that are huge of 300k, no pals from this ones. No. Exactly. We have signatures from tennis players. We have signatures, official signatures, which I'm not selling. I can't disclose because I'm gonna get attacked. Well, it's time to have this account funded. This one. We need like $200 more to make it funded. Yeah. Yeah, 48 grand from small pals collected of 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. So watch out. We need $200 here. Watch out. Once again, guys, until, what is it right now? 8 a.m. and 30 minutes, right? Watch out. We have an hour and 45 minutes, which means 10 a.m. and 15 minutes is the deadline. For 265 likes, if you want 300k today. Right, so keep that in mind. 10 a.m. and 15 minutes EST time is the deadline. An hour and 45 minutes from now. You have 2 Lucid accounts at the 48,400 level. You still have a little bit of space for the max loss there. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Don't be shy. We have an hour and 45 minutes. You have to do what you have to do, but we need to touch the milestone and the target. If I was able to do 300k in the account, then so you only have $400 left, right? If you only have $400 left for your max loss, you might want to see some trades during the New York session, maximum 5 micros, maximum. You want to secure at least another 500. Right, so to double your max loss, make it 1,000. So secure another 1,000, another 500 should be your first target, and be done for that day. Try to do it with trades up to 5 micros during the New York session. With only $400 away from the max loss. And if you have 2 accounts in that situation, as you said, you do not want to do copy trading. You do not. Trading Lucid, trading YRM, trading the usual accounts. We got 2 fresh accounts from YRM. Now, unfortunately, we got to burn them. 2 fresh 150,000, which are heavily discounted. 150,000 is a $3,000 pal at $450 with Scramble code for YRM. Your target is less than 6%. is 8,000 bucks for this account. Have a good one. I'm gonna try bringing my payout on the table with that one. So I'm questioning here the price action. Can we actually wrap up 200 bucks? That's the only thing we need, 200 bucks. You know, yesterday we traded our 2 Lucid Flexes that were each having 4,500. This is one of it. And the other account, we made the perfect number to 159 and we already upgraded. So we're gonna have, lovely, I'm out here. Ha 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 ha. 159 and $63. There you go, guys. Celebration time. We made this one funded. We made this one funded. Ha ha. How easy. The very first green candle, that's what we traded, that's what we got into. There you go. It's not hard, guys. It's not hard. Which software do I use to draw? We have an extension from Chrome. It's called Web Paint Tool. And you get all these things, right? Web Paint Tool, an extension from Chrome. And you can do whatever. Would you do this today, guys? Is this magnet gonna attract the price action back to last week's high? What's gonna happen today? Can you actually explain me what should I expect today? I'm a little bit concerned. You guys are the experts driving this whole thing crazy. So we're having another funded account. Yesterday we passed one more. This is a fresh funded. We're about to trade a fresh funded, guys. First day. Very important. I don't want to rush. You have passed the evaluation. Upgrade to funded. Ha ha ha. It's already happening. I have read and agreed the terms of this agreement. Ha ha ha. Look at that one, guys. They're asking me to agree with the agreement. We will confirm this. Submit upgrading your account. Success account upgrade successful. Ha ha. Lovely. Now we have 4 funded accounts. 2 are the big ones with a lot of money inside. Oh, they disconnected me because a new account is coming. Lovely. They disconnected me. Let me get out of Contower. Congratulations. Thank you so much, guys. Exactly. Make sure to be subscribed and join our Discord. Absolutely mandatory to participate in the giveaways. Let's refresh Contower. Yes. And it's driving the others crazy. Lucid is driving the other props crazy. Trust me, the difference between the Lucid performance in terms of sales and the other prop firms is tremendous. Tremendous, guys. In this business, you have to come up with brand new models of services. Something that has not been tested, something that has not been marketed as something that could attract a significant amount of sales, traders, and quality activity. If you just copy what's happening in the market, you are getting wiped out. Right? Ha ha ha. I would like that, but the only problem with this fresh account funded stage is that 4,500 is the max loss. Plus I have the scaling, I can only do 4 minis today. Yes, they are the top. I can see by the order numbers people have. They have days with more than 25,000 orders. More than 25,000 orders. There are other firms that are not touching 1,000 orders. They are far away from touching 1,000 orders. Right? 25,000 accounts. Yes. All of them are paying out. Consumers, they do like to test out things. They do like to see how it works to diversify on different models and styles. No consistency. No consistency was the big deal, right? So the moment Lucid came out with no consistency on the Flex account, plus the way they deliver, guys, it's just top notch. Prices have been increased over the past 3 months by Lucid. That's right. But at the same time, they delivered next to that. I think they're running with a minimal profit margin. They're smart enough to do it that way. They're running for minimal profit margin in terms of percentage, but they have tremendous volume. A lot of investments in the marketing, a lot of investments in a capable and productive team. The business is tremendous. YRM used to move you to live after 5 or 6 payouts. Now, the Lucid agreement is for the funded account where we just passed today. A couple of minutes ago, that one. Yes. We passed the account. You guys saw that on the stream. We just traded 180 bucks. And then I completed the agreement. It was for that account we passed. It was less than 2 minutes. So 2 minutes, you upgrade to funded once you pass your challenge. That agreement was to upgrade our past account during the stream today. Obviously, it's no longer possible to expect having accounts at 30 bucks, 50 bucks, 70 bucks, 80 bucks, 90 bucks, and get the payout in 3 minutes. Never have delays, never have problems with the support, have the whole website functioning, never have any issues, and not be bothered by anything else other than the green or red P&L. If you want a company like that, then obviously Lucid is standing out as the best choice. Other companies, if they give you something cheaper, they have to cut some quality from somewhere. They have the ability to give you cheaper accounts, but they are cutting quality from their services by doing that. All these companies are running minimal margin profit. Minimal. Otherwise, they would not survive. Not survive. Right, so do not think they're producing a tremendous percentage out of the revenue. Good to see you guys. Great to have you on board. We have a celebration live stream here. We're hitting $300,000 in the account. Yes. Exactly. No, I would say less than 7%. Less. Less, but less than 7% profit, I would say. Yeah. I don't think they need more than 3 to 4%, more than 4 or 5. Between 4 and 5, they don't need more than that. They only need volume right now. And all the companies are needing the same thing, which is why fresh companies, startups, do not survive with 4 or 5% profit rate. If they increase the margin of profit, then sales will disappear. So they have to cut the prices, you cut the earnings, you cut the revenue. If you don't quickly speed up and skyrocket the business to 1,000 sales a day in the prop space, you get slaughtered by the big firms. Yep. Lucid. Yeah, 7-8% is a real estate commercial revenue, but you don't have $5 million in sales per day. Think about 20 days of 5 million on average. It's not bad. Yep. So for a fresh prop firm, your time to demonstrate, develop, and reach a certain level in the prop space is very limited these days. In other words, the time of survival becomes less and less. I'm testing out along from here. 4 minis. It's the maximum I can trade on a funded account when it's fresh, because there is a scaling plan. You know, it's interesting with a... I have a journaling app, which I'm about to test. So I already have one, which I'm about to test. And I might introduce it to you guys if I consider it's helping you. So we got something on the road right now. But I can take a look at the things. Yeah, I don't mind taking a look at the things. Yeah. Exactly. Daily payouts is the next name of the game, guys, in the props. Daily payouts. You know, at some point, prices will just continue increasing, and at the same time, from the way the top-level companies are dictating the narrative of the space, the environment, and the momentum, they will follow through higher and higher prices, and of course, the daily payouts are probably the target. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. We're touching the 200 EMA here. It's a very interesting level. We got some reasons on the long. We might be able to do something out of this trade. I mean, we already made $250, which would be the minimum, right? This day would be nicely counted. I could get out here and have this one as the first day of trading on this funded account. Yeah. So, in other words, to have an end of the day drawdown, not to follow you during the day, and be static, no consistency, daily payouts, this is very hard, guys. It's very hard. Top 1 futures had a No consistency, daily payouts. Product that they put on pause for the moment. They're measuring the performance. They're measuring all their data. And if the numbers were good for the business, the service is going to be re-enabled. Well, think about it. As a business, you have to test this kind of products for a limited time and see how it goes. You don't know how the traders will react and perform. You don't know if, as a business, if you manage to do profits with you're trying to simulate some of the things, but you have a grade of probability there and certainly not a safety around selling 2 contracts here. And I am trailing the rest right below the current candle. If they want to reverse this, and there you go, lovely profit, $756, guys. That's a lot of money for the first day on a funded account. Ho ho! That's a lot of money. Yep. 756, guys. Lucid is having very comfortable and clear rules. YRM too. Tap on futures. You know, Savius is also on a. I mean, these companies, we have a pretty diversified portfolio. Thank you, guys. I'm out of this trade. 756. I'll take this profit. I'll take this profit. And I'm going to also start trading the fresh YRM accounts, the instant funding ones we got. YRM accounts, the current situation. The 50,000 account with the coupon code is around. It's even cheaper than 74 with my code is around probably about 70. Yeah, 70. The 50,000, no activation fee. Yeah. We got a top one here. We have 3 accounts on tap 1 active that are elite daily. You know, the ones with daily payouts. There's 3 accounts are evaluation stage. We're going to trade tap on the futures today as well. I don't know. I'm waiting to hear some nice discounts. Maybe a reset on the Bolt from Lucid. Wouldn't be bad. It's been a while. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you. Tap on futures is, let me send you the link. Tap on futures. Good morning, great to have you on board, guys. Good morning, good evening. Remember, 265 likes till 10 a.m. and 15 minutes is the deadline to do our $300,000 giveaway. With the celebration, here are the accounts on the 300K. Ho ho, 301,783. Look at that. Buenos dias, welcome. Good morning. Guten Morgen. This is the next 50k. I'm testing a short here, guys. This is the next 150,000 funded. First day for this one too. The one we just passed 20 minutes ago. Oh, great to see you from Österreich. Nice. Very nice. Last time I've been in Leopold Museum in your capital. Great stuff. That was the last place I visited. I've been a few times in Graz as well. Can we do something here? We're not trading them for the moment. It's not a bad company. We're gonna look into at some point for sure. We got great solutions, fellas. Near Graz. That's great. Oh, it's not looking bad, this trade. Yes, I can tell you why. Because it sells better, so they call it like this for marketing purposes. For marketing purposes, it sells better. You know why? Imagine the guy trading props. The next day, he speaks with his, teammates from his job, right? He speaks like, I'm trading $300,000, $50,000, $100,000 accounts. I'm trading Nasdaq $100,000 accounts. You know, retail. This is the way retail speaks. Friends, neighbors, employees. It's different. You say, I'm trading 50 grand accounts. You don't say, I'm trading $2,000 accounts. So the prop firms know this, that people like to brag. And they are feeding the greediness. It's a different status. I'm a trader. I do trade 50 grand, 100 grand. No one knows it is prop firm money. People have no idea if they're not from this industry. What does it mean prop firm money, right? They have no idea. Yeah, it is. Which challenge? Let me put my break even here because this should have been a little better than the way it looks. I mean, a lead axis is their current product, but you know, this is with a activation fee. I don't like that. I don't like this one with activation fees when tap on futures. Tap on futures, I don't think right now it's that good for evaluations. No. I think for evaluations, Lucid and YRM. Tap on futures, they do have their instant funding accounts that are 3 different choices. So if you want instant funding, then tap on futures could be a solution. But nah, challenges. Indicators. My indicator is the smell of money. What if your friend is asking you, let's cash out 10,000? No, you say you don't need that money. Why would you cash out when you can not cash out? People can gain status in front of their communities. I'm out of this trade, 416 bucks. It's the first day, guys, for this funded accounts. I'll take that money all day long. Let me show you also how to trade on a humble level, not just those 10,000, 20,000 days. Boom. Ha 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 ha. Right? Look at that. So 416 first day. Yeah. I tried them. Not having an issue with them myself. But we're not trading there. Buenos dias. Good to see you. Great to have you on board. Might test them out in the future. Take profit trader, the TPT or the trade day. I would trade the, first I would start a 50,000 type of accounts, and I would then consider upgrading to 150 as soon as I see myself having a good time on trading, right? So exposing to additional risk in terms of spendings is not a good choice if you are not having data to back it up, right? Which means good trading, some payouts, a good trading form, a good trading capability at that point, right? So before you guys consider scaling, just buy the accounts that are 50K, and then you can test out the 150. Of course, if you don't like the 50K for other reasons like risk management or drawdown, then you gotta go for the 150. You got bigger drawdown there, but the spending is also bigger. I don't need you guys to spend more. I need you guys to have a good efficiency and trade correctly and make money from prop firms. I'm not here to have you spending more, and you know what's the outcome for that. Yes, that's the problem with a TPT for sure. And that's why they can run such an account, because a lot of the people lose, a ton amount of the people lose the accounts there on that stage. Tick Trader is bye-bye. No responses from Tick Trader for 2 months to my emails. Yes, 150,000, a lot of breathing room. There's many ways to look at it. There's many ways of look at it. There's many ways to look at it. I do agree a beginner needs drawdown. I do agree with that. But then the target is also bigger in terms of value due to the fact that it applies the percentage towards the size. So bigger drawdown in terms of the dollar value is obviously a positive element, right? Bigger accounts, the $150,000 accounts it's just that you have to accept the additional risk of resources. I mean, that comes with benefits, bigger drawdown. Yes. Egan, exactly. Even the funded accounts on Take Profit Trader are at massive risks. Yes. That's how they can perform so nicely. You can't really reach to do that 100,000 in one day. Look at what we're getting here, guys. Market is having a good time above the purple line, 200 EMA for the 5-minute, which is currently confirmed to be utilized by the algos. Yeah. It's a massive trick right there, producing great amount of money. Usually it's vice versa. It's trailing on the evaluation and it's end of the day on the funded stage. But these guys have reversed it around and you know, it's a product. Algos of Wall Street running the markets. Institutional trading algos. You guys have to see if you're sitting on the same page with their algos, and you have to see which are the indicators, levels that are clearly giving reactions. So they're connected to that. Yeah. Yes. Again, that kind of model has to fit you. Or you fit yourself to the model, which is basically what most of the time needs to be done. There are companies that are less demanding, and there are companies that are way more demanding. You decide to which model you like to fit, to a less demanding model or not. Less or more demanding, it's, you know. I like this reaction. We have the daily VWAP here, so... But I am happy about this money. 416 made. And the other 756. You know. Profit is profit. Gotta start trading the YRM accounts too. Adapt to the model. It's like a game with the props. You got the model, you have to see the sensitive part of this model, the weaknesses of the model, and exploit. Your job is to exploit that and make money. Their job is to make their product attractive, but also financially resilient. They can't make it highly performant for them financially, because then the product becomes unsellable. So that's the advantage the trader has against the prop firms. He needs to do a product that you believe it's easy, and at the same time, I mean, it's not just about believing it's easy, it also has to be easy on certain levels. It has to be easy. No one is idiot, guys. No one is idiot. We know when it's not easy. We know when it's easier. And they also have to take care about their pockets, because we all want payouts. So it is a very thin line. You don't have the entire time, and you don't have all the time. If you don't go with the momentum that you have and run powerful, the prop firm reaches at some point a stagnation and then it dies, right? So prop firms constantly need to increase their numbers, especially the new ones and the fresh ones. Yeah, good morning, welcome guys. Did you have your colazione? 12 AC. Time for colazione. At 3 p.m. colazione. I haven't shorted, haven't longed. This is a pretty weird Friday type of price action. Look at that. Pretty weird. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We have an hour and 6 minutes to hit our 265 likes. You gotta invite everyone and anyone to like the video. All the groups. Ha ha ha. I just saw your message on Formula. We're going to trade some evaluations as well today of Lucid Flex. We got 4 funded, so I'd like to have 5. Testing out a little short here, guys. 3 minutes short. Maybe I am too early. No, I'm getting out of this. It's not a good point. 165 loss. I'll take that all day long. I don't like the uncertainty that came through my mind as soon as I got into my short. So as soon as I clicked, I felt something. And when that happens, I'm out. Because it rarely happens. And it's almost sure that it's the wrong place. Right, so it's no form of anxiety. I always do 10 minis. Look at that, it's running up. 300,000 for today. This might be another place of retesting a short. And also on a evaluation from... from Lucid. Look at that. 10 minute short evaluation Lucid. That's good. Juice up your ducks, guys. It's going to be a massive giveaway show. Massive. Yes. But I'd like to see like 2 red candles before we test anything for the upside. This one and the next candle. I'd like to see both of them red. I mean, the next one I'm gonna get out because we might have a wick and then reverse. Look at that great money we make. Come on. I'm out here, 660 bucks, and I'm gonna be out from my YRM2. 165. We cut our loss, which was 165, so we made like 320. It's good. I can't expect more from this. Yes. Ha ha ha. You gotta be up on our Discord, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell. Wondering if we can see BTC around 81, 85. We're having a good time. If you compare it to Nasdaq, if you compare it to the S&P, it's a terrible place, guys. BTC these days. A terrible place if you compare it. I mean, these guys are out here on the all-time high, and the crypto market is just nonsense. Risk assets are poor. Yes, when you make profit, the size of your max loss, the drawdown becomes locked. Let's go, guys. Come on. 120 more likes needed in exactly 1 hour. Keep that in mind. 120 likes needed in exactly 1 hour from now. I'm going to test out a long. From here, 10 minis, guys. 10 minis. The market opens in 15 minutes. It is Labor Day around Europe, 1st of May. Bank holiday. Oh, what a lovely movement. As soon as I got into it, it was looking ready for something nice. But then we got shot. Yep. Let's go. We have that daily opening 631. Wouldn't be bad to just wick around 631 and then come back. There's not gonna be much trending going on today. No. There's not gonna be. Unless you got Trump posting. Which is never predictable what's happening. Was never ever predictable. Yeah, I heard about them. I'm not touching them for the moment. Decent recovery here, guys. Decent recovery here. This is only possible on Friday because from that situation we're pumping right now, we should have been going down. Right? So the previous green candle we closed is showing sign of weakness. The lack of rejection in the red candle is weakness. And we should have continued based on the price action downwards. We're not doing that because it's fake Friday. And Scrambo knows it's fake Friday. Scrambo is not getting the hell out of trade. It's monetizing the dirty price action here or there. Look at that. We're monetizing here for YRM. We're monetizing on Trade Evade for the tap on the futures. We're monetizing everywhere. Pretty much everywhere. Look at that. That's juicy, right? Already by the name, right? Already by the name sounds risky. How important is to select your branding? What do you guys think about a branding name? The name of the brand. It looks like it wants to go higher. So I'm not selling. The next 5-minute candle would be lovely to be green, otherwise I have to get out. Right, so this closing, I don't care about this closing. The next candle, we're setting slightly above the daily VWAP, so could be a sign of continuation of the momentum. Lovely. We're moving right before the candle closes. We need the next candle to be strong and green. I'm out of my YRM. We made 1,400 on my YRM. I'm out of my trade of a 2. We made 1,600. I'm going to show you quite soon, guys. I'm not out of this. I'm not out of this yet here. I'll just go stop loss break even here. Come on. Just a little bit higher. 4 more points needed. The next 1 minute candle. The next 1 minute candle. Can we do it, guys? Come on. The next 1 minute candle. Ha ha ha. Thumbs up, everyone. This one. Oh, I'm out here. 4,000 bucks profit, guys. Celebration time. That's a hell of a trade with it. Made money on 3 prop firms now. Lucid, tap on futures and YRM. Ho ho! Ho! Look at that, guys. 1,636 from tap on futures accounts on the 100,000. The old Elite Daily. It's no longer available for purchase right now. I got them a while ago. Like a couple of weeks ago. And then 1,390 totally on the YRM first day. Ho ho ho. Lovely, guys. Come on. We're making money. Ha 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 ha. You don't have to do more than be synchronized with whoever controls the price action. Pigeons. Fixing the green tea is #1 priority. You gotta do it at the right temperature, the right seconds, if not milliseconds, and then you're all synchronized with the market makers. It's just about this. Yeah, I have a very simple trading system, guys. Very simple. As you see, it's easy to be understanding it, right? It's very easy. Not gonna force it here for another 500. You know what happens when you're forcing it for another 500. You give all your 4,000 back. Who wants to do that? Price action and meaningful points. Time to see another account. Another evaluation. 10 minutes short on this evaluation. Let me go dirty about it. 10 minutes short. Possible supply here leading the price action back. 10 minutes short. It's a 150,000 Lucid Flex evaluation. Exactly. The more you have on your charts, the more you need to know how to control, understand, execute. And the harder it is for your mind to navigate the reality. We have 4 past, plus 1 we made 4,000 today, and then this one I'm trading. We have 4 funded. Yeah. Oh, what a lovely day. We have 45 minutes until the deadline for the giveaways, we must hit 265 likes. Yep. Big Lucid accounts. The 5-minute algo just started. I'm stop loss break even. I am stop loss break even, fellas. We're printing. Come on, guys. Let's do another 4,500 here. Oh my gosh. Stop loss break even, sitting back, printing. Let's go. 5-minute algo means 5 minutes before the New York session starts. We get 30 moves at that time. We have the flat opening 30 minutes before the New York session starts, which is also contributing to dirtiness. And then the 5-minute. 552 for your take profit. Oh. I only need a 600s. I only need a 600, guys. Which is closer, 12 AC? Which is closer, 600s on 552? Tell me. Instant funding accounts, yeah. Do something. I don't mind this green candle here. I don't mind it. That's not an issue. As long as the next one is red. And it goes for a continuation. The price action is screaming continuation here. We're not trailing anything yet. We're not trailing. We can't trail here. It's an evaluation of Lucid Flex 150,000. Oh, this is a dirty candle already. A dirty one. It should not be going like this, guys. Should not be. There you go. It has been a good trade, a very good trade, and normally that goes for a continuation lower. But you see how silly the price action is? We have perfect entries, didn't cash out, and now it's running higher, with the market opening in 2 minutes. They want to depress me. It's not possible. Daily opening right next to us, guys. The market is forcing touching that 631. Is this going to stop right as soon as we touch it? Might be flying way higher than that. Might be flying way higher than that. Ha ha ha. Well, well. Today's high, 674. 1 minute to go. And we are starting the New York session. This is a pretty trustworthy moment where we gotta slow down. Slow down. Couple of seconds down the line. Stop loss break even. We got in along right before the opening, guys. Stop loss break even. Couple of seconds to go for the opening. Look at that. 10 minis. We're having a 10 minis contract right before the opening. It went up, and then it touched my trailing. Look at that lag on Quant Tower. Watch out. We lost $10. Not gonna gamble here. Anything. We have a YRM trade, 7 mini, stop loss break even. I'm out, 4,235. Ha 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 ha. 4,235 bucks profit, guys, on YRM. On the big account. We got 50K profit here. Boom. Well, well. That was juicy. That was juicy. Look at that, we're making some good money here. We've shorted the price action. These are evaluations. Evaluations of Lucid. Bring it down again. I should have sold. We were in a great profit. No, I should have sold. We were in a great profit. Yeah, I'm putting my stop loss there for that one. And I'm out from this one. This is gone. This one is gone. Had to give something back today. Had to give something back today. A little bit too aggressive with this. Look at that opening. Yep. Crazy how powerful this is, guys. Right? Unbelievable. We're testing some shorts here. We just got into shorts here on the big accounts. There are 300,000. What kind of opening is this on a Friday? Yeah. Interesting to see it unfolding. Maybe we finally get the first red candle of 1 minute. But just maybe. The first candle. The first red candle of 5 minutes. Of 1 minute. On 5 minutes, it's harder. Watch out what kind of breakout we had here. Do we attack 28,000 on a Friday? That should be a massive scam, guys. Got my 10 minutes short. Shorting on such a move. Run it down. Just a little bit. Not. I want to get out of this. I want to get out of this. I'll take a few hundreds of bucks losses. I don't mind. I want to get out of this. Welcome. Pretty hard context. Yep. Might be a temporary top here. Might be, from the way it looks like. It's not that terrible. We need 2 or 3 red candles of 1 minute. Yes, it's very risky for a continuation, of course. Yeah. Yeah, it is. We're talking about all-time high, right? We're talking about all-time high. We're talking about price discovery. No matter what day, no matter what's happening in the economy, no matter what's happening on Hormuz anymore, we're just all-time high daily. Incredible, guys. How the markets are sitting right now, these days. Totally detached from the reality, right? Can we get 2 red candles in a row of 1 minute? I'm gonna get out in the second, maybe in the third red candle coming in a row. I don't mind we're sitting like this for the moment. There is some sort of rejection here. We're running price discovery. We're running... Yeah. Might have to cut it away. It's gonna be a good start for this big account for May. Sell in May and go away. Ha ha ha. Sell in May and go away. Yeah. My drawdown is 150 grand. Because I made from 150, 150. That's not the whole drawdown for today. I don't want to lose. Obviously, we're stopping earlier, but not at this levels. When the red candles will start, that's going to be a different journey. Which I don't want to be missing. 35 minutes to go. We got to hit 265 likes for the giveaways, fellas. Yeah. That's why we're running. We have some crazy bullish news. Which... yeah, some nice speculation. Yeah. No. No max. Come on. Go for the liquidity. Go for that liquidity. Give me the third red candle. I might sell partially and reshort from higher, right? Give me the third red candle, and I'll try to seek exiting partially from this. I sold half of it for this one, selling half of it there, and I'm gonna reshort higher, so accepted a partial loss, 5 minis. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a little bit higher. A little bit higher. So I'm going to DCA back in my short. This green candle. Maybe one more green candle after this. Maybe. Although there is already some rejection appearing. Maybe one more green candle after this. And that would be a good situation in the next one for me to DCA. Right. There you go. I'm setting my limit order here. And I'll be doing... we got to DCA market order for this one. We got to DCA market order for this one. Let's see. Different situations, but we got to DCA market order on this one, which looks a little bit better. Yeah. Three red candles in a row here would be a lot of juice. Yeah. You know, we were price discovery, so watch out, look at that. YRMs are looking great. 1,800. We should lose some money here. Like 250 bucks. 200, yeah. We should lose on YRM 200 bucks. We have a little too much for the consistency concerns. Yeah, I'm still holding on my shorts. I need to lose here 200 bucks, 250. Great. And then about this one's, well, not an easy situation, but the pressure is there, guys. The pressure is there. Look at that lovely movement. Could be more than this, guys. Could be more than this. I'll be out for a 2 minutes break. 2 minutes and I am back. Be right back in 2 minutes. Be right back in 2 minutes. Make it green in the meantime. Oh, what happened there, guys? Oh my gosh. What happened there? What happened there? We got 25 minutes to collect all the likes. Good morning, welcome everyone. 25 minutes to collect them. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. So you want to be out here on our Discord if you want to participate in the giveaways. There's a few conditions. Complete the formula link here. Sign up. Sign up. I'm holding it. Oh. Look at that. My gosh. Are we having Trump posting again? What's going on here, guys? We were so close. Like the video. We got a new all-time high. Every 5-minute candle is a new all-time high. But that's not going to be forever without taking the liquidity from the downside. I'm shorting, yes. Nvidia is dumping, but this is not dumping for the moment. Yeah. Nvidia is crossing today's low, is making a new low, is crossing yesterday's low. Watch out for Nvidia. Watch out for Nvidia. Nasdaq might follow. Last week's low for Nvidia, 197. Watch out for the Nvidia. Come on, guys, bring it down. Might be by the dip. Yeah. Look at that. Nvidia is not looking comfortable. Nasdaq is having a different journey. 806 is a great level. Yeah. This is a massive scam what we are going through right now with Nvidia and Nasdaq. Massive scam on board. Buckle up, guys. This is not looking good for the 5-minute. Buckle up. Look at that. This is not looking promising for the 5-minute. Unless we get another post. Trump might be posting around. You know what happens then. We used to say Friday is a shitty price action. With all sorts of choppiness, all sorts of nonsense, no trendings. This is what it used to be for Friday. Yeah. Apple has been running. It's 4.5%. Tesla is not running. DXI. Gold is running too. Damn green tea, guys. But I'm still holding. BTC is running too in this candle. Yeah, BTC. So Nasdaq is all-time high. BTC is 40% away from all-time high. Ha 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 ha. 40. Nah. Might be no place for shorts today. Might be no place for shorts today. I like to see what's happening here, guys. Yes, Savius is great, and by the way, Savius is right now running a massive promotion. Yeah, we're trading great accounts, the 150,000. and the 300,000. Right, so that's the link. The code right now is Mayday for Savius. Mayday. Look at that. That's what you get with 60% off. Right? Instant funded for Savius. I sent you the link. Usually we have a campaign with a scram. Oh my god, look at the move, guys. 26,000 down. And this is still running. Now, I'm not going to get myself scared out of this. Just breathe and hold around. Markets will come back. Oil is dumping. We got news, massive news, very likely around the war. Look at a lovely oil. Nvidia is reacting. 840s for the Nasdaq. Not selling anything yet. But it's kind of hard for this one to come back to my level. I'm telling you. 1st of May is a nice cold shower for this big accounts. I mean, it's not bad having a 150 grand buffer, right? It's not bad at the end of the day. Greetings, good day everyone, welcome guys. So, we are having 18 minutes to go. And we must collect 265 likes to do the giveaways. 18 minutes, 265 likes. Yeah. The good part is these losses are not affecting the accounts at all. And I don't have any other trades. So basically, this whole movement to the upside is not affecting me in reality. Because these accounts are $125,000 profit. And they're not at risk at all. I don't have any other accounts running trades. So I did wanted to film a video with a 300k accounts, but looks like we gotta delay that for another day or so. You saw what happened the last time. Let me check that out. Where is it? Here. You saw what happened with those big accounts the last time. $36,000 lost on the 8th. We made that money back the next day. Ha ha ha. And we were not having such a high budget. So once we lost that 36, we were down to 212 or something like that. Yeah. Watch out for the markets running. Crypto might run over the weekend with those news. Is not capable collecting any strong, reliable move out here. Crypto is extremely weak. We don't have a 1 minute rec candle here, it's just running. "15 minutes to go, we gotta collect the likes. 15 minutes. And we must collect 40 likes in 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, this is running big time. The only green part is the fees, guys, 35 bucks. Let's not lose attention to whatever is green. The fees are green, 35 bucks. We had enough viewers from the moment we started the stream. We always have more than 1,000 people surfing around. More than 1,000. Always have more than 1,000 viewers. I'm not worried. I can close out on 10-15 grand loss and cannot add shorts because I am maxed out on contracts. I cannot DCA. With a trailing on take profit trader, I'm not down to that. No. I prefer there's a lot of, superior opportunities with Lucid. Looks like we're not going to make it for the likes, and we're going to do regular giveaway and not the celebration giveaway with 300k. We are going to do a regular one with 125,000. If we're not meeting the target, we got 13 minutes, 10 a.m. and 15 minutes. It will drop Monday. It's not going to drop today. Still not going to get out. Here's the link to sign up. $265 is the target. I'm glad I'm not having any other trades and shorts on accounts. That could get hurt. This ones are having a ton of money. Not a good feeling. But still, the real impact is zero. There's more than 1,000 people during the 2 hours of streaming we're doing, joining and doing stuff. Oh, sorry. Bring it down, guys. Come on. This is not coming down. 25 more likes needed. 25 more. $25 in 10 minutes. Just a crazy wild price action. Crazy wild. Putting together wild things. Let's see if this is the first 5-minute candle that gives us the red color. I'm here waiting. We already saved like 6,000 bucks. We were at 36,000 down. 36 down. 8,000. We were at 36 down. Yeah. That's why it's moving like this. It's based on news, not price action, right? Yeah. That's the downside about this. You can get easily news running around and wipe you out. You never know what comes through. You never know. I'll ask you about May. We have 7 minutes to go, chat. We need 20 likes in 7 minutes. If you want to do the big giveaways. It's down to you. 7 minutes. 10 a.m. and 15 minutes is the deadline. But I'm going to ask you, chat, if in May we're going to do a pool. 29,000 in May, thank you. Yes or no? Tell me more, guys. 29,000. I just did a pool. Let me know how are you voting. 29,000. Right, so if we don't touch the targets of the needed likes, we will do the regular giveaways, which is 125 only. There you go, guys. 7 minutes to go. For 265 likes. 7 minutes to go. Watch out. This is the timer. We got 253. We need 12 more. 257. We need 8 more. Very likely we made it, very likely. I'm not getting out of the trades yet. Yeah. It is down to 70, even less than that. We're gonna make it, guys. We have 5 minutes and I see 264. We only need a single more like. We're gonna make it, guys. $268. It's finally confirmed. $268. It's finally confirmed. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations. Let's go. In 5 minutes, we started giveaways. Massive giveaways worth $300,000. Congratulations for pressing the pedal. We might be able to get something downwards here, but there's a lot of the points needed, right? I have to DCA out, DCA back, and see if I could adjust this way. Right. Get out of my short in a low, and then re-DCA back in a high. Something like that. Ha ha ha. Yes, you gotta be out here, fellas, right? You want to join our server. Congratulations. I was not expecting you guys not to do it. 4 minutes. And the game starts. I think we're losing part of the buying pressure. Look at that, powerful conditions. Yeah. Very likely expense for hire. Good consolidation here. Yeah. Might be another strong leg. I'm watching, guys. If I get out and start longing this, it's gonna crash, right? That's the only thing I gotta do. Get out and long it. It's crashing. $300,000 prop firms giveaway. We touch another all-time high. Might see some decent rejections here or there. Your drawdown would be to your original balance plus $100. That's where your max loss is going to be located. Yeah. Buy the same shorts. Monday from the same shorts. Like today. It's just continuing my shorts Monday. I would try to go for 6 figures if they would allow me 20 or 30 minis. Savius is allowing you 40 minis. Imagine 40 minis. Imagine 40 minis on my winners. And losers too. But overall, we're good. It means it's going to be $900. Not $1,000. $900. He is very happy for sure. Most of the people didn't make sufficient money or didn't make profits from this kind of move we had right now. And by the time they start longing it, this is going to also retrace, guys. One day we will see more than 100,000 in a day. With 10 minis is not possible. 10 minis is the max contracts. We need 500 points. Yes. It's very perfect. Very. Ha ha ha. Yeah, that's good. We now have 4 funded. But I only made 400 and 700 bucks on those. Yes. That would be possible. We just have 4 funded right now. 2 of them are fresh. We traded their first day today. Profits. It is not looking bad from here. We might be able to have a downtrend. Alright guys, time for the giveaways. We're gonna let this thing sit in the background for the moment. I'm not touching it. We might be able to correct a little more, and then I DCA out. We'll reshort from higher levels. Gotta do that and see if I could minimize this. You guys will see on Monday what happened with this account. If they will still exist. Ha 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 ha. I'm scaring you away. Ha ha. Oh, I don't think so. Nah, it's under control. Not to worry. Not to worry, it's under control. You guys will see what's happening Monday with this one. I'm not very concerned. You know why? Because this can very easily have a minus 20 grand loss, and it's not an issue at all. Right? Very easily I could close out on minus 20 grand. And that's it. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Look at that. There's a supply higher and demand here. Could do something below. Come on. It's all on the live stream. It's just today we have to leave them open. There's no point closing the trades. 2,000 points. Ooh. 2,000 points. Yes. We were so close to our entry at some point. Keep pushing. Do not dare. Alright guys, time to do the giveaways. Because we have to celebrate. We gotta celebrate. Oh, well. I'm supposed to celebrate, but I'm gonna do it. Like I said, the accounts are not affected. If I only start trading 250 bucks, which is the minimum I need between the payouts, it's not affecting this thing right now, right? I always have that solution, trading minimum 250 bucks. Well, guess what? I don't think so we're gonna make it green that easy. Oh. I need 5 accounts basically for a payout. 5 accounts ready for the payout. I want to take from a cycle 5 accounts ready for payout. First giveaway, guys. Guess what? First giveaway, we're gonna do 150,000 Lucid Flex for the first giveaway. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we are. 150 grand for the first giveaway today. Exactly what we have been cheering. And then we're gonna do another 150,000 Lucid Flex. Right? So first 150 grand and the next one 50 grand. Both flexes where you can flex your muscles. Just like I did today. We're down on both accounts 60 grand. Ha ha ha. Not bad, right? Not a bad giveaway. But let me do a pool before we start. How many numbers do you want on the wheel? Let me do a pool. So watch out. Let me know, guys. We got a few solutions there. Let me know first. Let me know. Just vote. Vote, guys. Vote. How many numbers do you want? As soon as we hit, 120, 130 votes, as soon as we hit 120, 130 votes, I am stopping, and we're going for the best solution. I'm stopping right now. Oh, 34% for 2. 34% for 2, 33% for 5. That was a heavy fight, guys. Look at that. Oh. Stop right there. 34% for 2, 33% for 5. So we're going for 2 numbers. Ha ha ha. 2 numbers. That's not bad. 2 numbers. So, focus. Focus, guys. Focus. 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 Everyone stop writing. Stop writing, everyone. Stop writing and focus. This is a massive giveaway. A massive. We're going to have 2 numbers and you have to be focused. Stop writing. Watch out for the numbers. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. We're going to have... Jake is not here. We're going to have 7 and 8. Guess the number between 7 and 8. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice, guys. Let me know your best choice between 7 and 8. Let me know. Come on. We just hit 800s in the Nasdaq. We're good with that, right? 35 grand. Between 7 and 8. Let me know your best choice. This is a 150,000 Lucid Flex account. No consistency and no target on the funded stage. You don't want to miss out. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh. I like this rejection. Triple tap here. Watch out. Triple tap. Scramble is still holding. And it's dreaming. Well, well, stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. We're gonna shuffle. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. No way. No way. We don't have the pedal turned on. We don't have the pedal turned on. That could be the number 8. That could be. It is. It is the number 8, guys. It is. Yeah. It is. The pedal is not working to be... No, no, no. It's the number 8. Congratulations. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. 150,000 Lucid Flex is going to be out here. How many winners do we have? How many of them? Do we have 120, 130? We're going to find it out. The duck race is here. And we're going to do a wild game. This is going to be wild. Jake is out here in our chat on Discord. $96, but with Scramble and Badger, it is $98. With an additional Scramble, is $99. And with one more additional on top of additional is $100. I have 3 entries. However, we need 100 to have 2 rounds of races. The first round is going to be 2 minutes. And I'm telling you, we're going to do the following thing. First ranked plus third plus 5th plus 7th plus the last. First, third, 5th, 7th, and the last will qualify the second round, which means 5 players will go to second round. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. 2 minutes competition time. Let me see your best choice. Time to speed up. This is the first giveaway. We're having more. Worst time to be second, worst time to be 4th, worst time to be 6th. Oh. Who's gonna finish second, guys? Tell me. I just wanna... Contract. PG contract. You are leading at the wrong time. First, third, 5th, 7th, and the last. Twister Tony is leading. Could be the case, right? 1 in a trillion. 1 in a trillion chance. Come on. I don't see my name here, and I got 3 entries. This is such a scam, guys. This is totally rigged. I don't see my name anywhere, and I have 3 entries. Top left corner sees something, but that's a shame. Should be leading with 3 entries. Go Palooka. Time to see who's gonna speed up, guys. The last 15 seconds are here. Go. Oh, Alessandra. You might get stopped out. The first one, third one, 5th, 7th, and the last. Austin, B78, Austin leading. Here we go. We are celebrating for Austin. We're celebrating. And here we are. Smith, you came out 2nd. Jay Banis, you came out 4th. Tai Yajabil, you came out 6th. I actually pronounced the ones that are suffering right now. We're going to have a minute of silence for the 2nd, for the 4th, and for the 6th. A minute of silence. A minute of silence. Who's the last, guys? Who's the last? Who's the last? Who's the last? I'm gonna speed up. I'm gonna speed up. Ooh. Tracy Will. Oh my god, Sean. Look at that, Sean. Tracy Will the last. Congratulations. But Sean, what have you done? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Can you guys see that? Tracy Will. So close. Oh. Good work on slowing down. What happens with my trade? Oh, no. 10,000, we already saved that. We're looking good, guys. We're looking good. I'm not getting out of this. But it's time to verify. So we're going to verify if Tracer Will completed a form. Tracer Will, did you fill up the form? Oh, Tracy. Let's find it out. You guys had about 20-30 seconds to do it. Extra, additional time. Tracy Will is right there. Congratulations. Congratulations. First one is confirmed. Then, first guy, Austin. Yes, Austin is here as well. Congratulations. Strange. Are you here? Strange is here as well. Congratulations. Alessandra. Alessandra is here as well. Congratulations, guys. And then Thai. Jai Biju. There you go. Thai. Yes, congratulations. Looks like no one is missing the 150,000 bucks, guys. No one missing. Now, it's time to have this 5 players duplicated. $640 ducks with your names. 640. 30 seconds competition time. The best ranked is gonna celebrate on a happy Friday. Best of luck out there. Who was the 6th? Did I miss something? Let me do that. Let me verify quickly. Oh, I missed something. Stop, stop, stop. It's not good. We gotta stop this. No, the 7th is a different guy. Look at that. The 7th is a different guy. It's Bunnocks, right? We gotta redo this, guys. The 7th. We have the 5th and the 7th. Bunnocks. Is not Thai. Exactly. Bunnocks. Oh. Did you fill up the form? We gotta redo this, guys. Bunnocks. There you go. Congratulations. It wasn't Thai. Thai was a 6th. Time to redo this. And it's gonna be only 5 ducks at this time. Best of luck, everyone. Oh, trade looks juicy. I'm about to show you soon. Yeah. Who's gonna speed up for $150,000 Lucid Flex? Tracy Will from the last. Look at that one. Tracer Will qualifying, being the last on the dock race and winning 150,000. Look at that, guys. That's crazy. That's so crazy. Come on. Keep it riding, Tracer Will. Congratulations. 150,000 Lucid Flex from being the last. The last place. Oh yeah, look at that. 14 grand down, 18 grand total P&L. We were 36,000 down, but we're laddering down right now. Scramble is not exiting here. This is baby money. As soon as we do the next giveaway, another 10,000 profit. And next giveaway, another 10,000. Look at that one. How slow? Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Never been happier about losing 12,000 here. Never been happier. Come on. Oh my, I told you it's baby money and we're gonna recover. You didn't want to listen. Scrambo's on fire. Keep saying. Come on, guys. Look at that. Who said I'm gonna end up green? Who said? 12 AC, if I am ending green, I'm sending you 50,000 Lucid. Lucid. 50,000 Lucid if we're ending green, 12 AC. He's getting that. 50,000 Lucid for 12 AC if I'm ending green. From now on, whenever I'm sitting red, you guys come up in chat and say, Scramble is making it green. Look at that. Oh my gosh. If I am ending green today, 12 AC is getting 50,000 Lucid Flex for his good bet. Look at that. Time to continue on the giveaways. Because markets, look at that. I'm not DCing out from here. I'm not touching this. This is sliding back to the daily opening and we're making 10,000 profit. Ha ha ha. Oh. Who said as well? Maddie. Maddie, you said it? Let me verify. Let me verify, Maddie. Who else? Who else? Come on, everyone say me too, me too. So I'm gonna create a prop firm and give you all accounts. Are we in profit? Not yet. But we gotta be in profit with the whole P&L. We have a... Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. 748 on my entry. Watch the markets pumping from here all the way back to 28,000. And I'll lose 40 grand. Watch out. And then it's gonna cost you 12 AC. 200 accounts of 50k. It's gonna cost you if that's what happens. Oh. Who said it at first? I'm gonna verify chat. I'm gonna verify chat. Who was the first one telling me I'm gonna end up green today? I'm gonna verify the chat, guys. But now we gotta continue with the giveaways. Next giveaway, Lucid Flex 50,000. Oh my gosh. 50,000 Lucid Flex. Watch out for the numbers. Between 0 and 9, that's the way it's gonna be. Between 0 and 9. Yeah. Stop. You can start right now. Start. Start right now, guys. Come on. Between 0 and now, guess the best number out there. A single choice per person. Come on. We're trading at the 800s already. This is so bad. It's pumping, guys. I told you this is gonna pump. As soon as we touch my entry, this is pumping. That's how bad I got into. Unbelievable. I shouldn't have switched the screens, guys. The market makers saw this on the live stream, and that's why they're pumping it. I should have not switched the screen. So bad. Mishandled. You can't trick the market makers if you show them on the live stream. Should have not switched over. Unbelievable, silly. 304 likes, we're dominating. What a big exercise out here. 790s. As soon as I switch the screen over to wheel, market makers, no idea on my entry. They don't even know I'm holding it. It's coming back, yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna verify who said. Alright, guys. You want to stop right there? No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. It's over. Shuffle. Let's have some panic attacks. No account. Let's not do it. Let's not do it. Okay. Let's not do it. Okay. Let's be kind today. Let's be kind. Come on. Keep it running, guys. New all-time high from here. New all-time high. That's what I want. Is that going to be number 4? But there's no one going with a number 4, guys. No one is going with a number 4. No one is going with a number 4. Are you? Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. Good job with that. Look at that. 26. Great job. 30 seconds competition time for our 28 in totally. There you go. 50,000 Lucid Flex. 50,000 Lucid Flex. We've got a few. We gotta guess the number between 0 and 500. Owen, there you go. Congratulations, Owen. Congratulations. Yeah, I want to see the first one who said, I am going to be green. The first one who said, exactly with these words, you're going to be green. Congratulations, Owen. There used to be a player, a striker, from England, Mr. Owen Millionaire. Owen 7585, Mr. Owen Millionaire. Am I second? Yes. I didn't even saw that. Should I take this account? Because we don't have Owen 7585. Where is the Mr. Owen? Congratulations. Congratulations. Yes. Michael Owen, the British guy, the striker. Congratulations. We're going to have one more giveaway, guys, and it's going to be the last, but we're going to share a lot. We're going to share a lot in this one more giveaway. Watch out. Oh, there you go. 50,000 YRM. It's already 830s on 820s on the Nasdaq. It's pumping. I can't even look at a P&L, guys. From 6,000 down, it's again 16 and 20 totally. This is going back to all-time high. Oh, Anton. No worry, you will be green. Oh, yeah, there you go. Are you going to be the first one? Today? During the whole stream? So, 2 accounts we're going to share, guys. 2 accounts. Watch out for the numbers. 50,000 YRM, we're sharing 2 accounts. We did 200 grand so far, right? And we're doing 100 grand more. 2 of 50K. Between 0 and 5, guess the number, guys. Guess the number. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Start right now. Between 0 and 5. We're going to share 2 accounts of 50,000 YRM. Yeah, having a total of $300,000. Looks great. The next time we come down, we should break that low. Right? You guys agree with me? We should break that 750s. Between 0 and 5, guess the number. Stop right there. It's over. It's over. So we have 2 accounts. And here we go. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. It's not going to be number 2. It's not going to be number 5. That's going to be number 1. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners with number 1. Yeah. Congratulations for the winners, number 1. Here we are. Might be a few. Probably about 30, 40. Might be a few. Ken Nils. 34, 36, 30 seconds competition time. Wow. Watch out. Watch out. The first 2 will win, guys. The first 2, the very first 2. We're sharing 2 accounts. Keep that in mind. The very first 2. Right? So first... Oh, Banax. Oh my gosh. And Scramble. Banax and Scramble. Look at that. I am winning, but I'm not. No, I haven't. What a scam. Ahmed Shalmi. Del Shami. Ahmed Del Shami. What happened with you? You're taking the account away, snapping the account away from the leader. Unbelievable. It's rigged, guys. It's rigged against me. I rigged this against myself. Banax. I got rigged. I got stopped out. The big L. Banax. Crazy how you made this once again. Congratulations. Del Shami. Shami. Did you fill up? Yes. That's rigged, guys. It's rigged. Look at that. Domi, you were there the 5th. It's not a bad idea being the 5th. The pain is not as high as for my 3rd, guys. Oh, look at that. You end up in 3rd. Meanwhile, the 1st and 2nd wins. You're the 3rd. You're having a tough red P&L. What a day. Congratulations, fellas. This is where we are. No form today. I knew I was not hitting the winner. I didn't fill up the form. I am at the top because I have a pedal here right below the desk, and I'm pressing that. You know, the left foot is the pedal of speed. The right foot is the pedal of brake. It's very simple. This was the last giveaway. Good day, everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Happy Friday out here, and have a lovely weekend. You certainly want to watch the traders here, and the market is dumping, and Scramble is ready is ready to show you on Monday a green fat P&L here. But remember, we have a realized loss of 5,000, so we gotta eat that up somehow. It's not just about the active trade. We have a realized loss of 5,000. Thank you so much, guys. Wish you a lovely, peaceful, fruitful, and a relaxing way weekend. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day, lovely time. We talk to you on Discord. Have a beautiful